What's up guys, welcome back to this channel. Today's video is a bit different. We're going to talk about compact, convenient camera gears. Ulanzi Claw. This is the first quick release plate that I bought. I bought it because just how fast you can release the plate. Simply just pressing the buttons on the side. See? And because it's a square shape, you can easily put it on any way. Look how quick that was. On the official website, it says that this little claw can support up to 50 kgs and it only weighs 50 grams. So that's what? 1,000 times its weight. Cool. Out of the 3 quick release plates that we'll be talking about in this video, this is definitely by far the fastest quick release plate. And if you feel insecure by just how fast that releases, there's actually a lock on the side. There's a deadlock slide, simply slide it to the left and it's locked. The only downside is, once you use the system, you have to be locked into the system. You can't just use this and put it on your tripod head. So to enjoy the full benefits of this quick release plate, you have to at least buy 2 of them, so you can switch from a tripod to a gimbal or something similar. I mainly use the system to switch from a gimbal shot to a vlogging shot of some sort using my GorillaPod. This is SmallRig's universal quick release adapter mount. I use this for my Zhiyun's Weebill S's tripod legs. Now if you're familiar with the gimbal called Weebill S, it actually already comes with its own quick release accessory, but in theory, yeah, it does look very convenient and it looks fast to release, but sometimes I find when I press down from here, it's not as smooth, and to lock it back in, I really have to push down with some force. And sometimes it snaps the skin on my finger when I do this. So that was the reason why I bought the SmallRig's quick release plate. So there's actually a hidden lever that you just pull out, and this doesn't actually release the plate. There's another step, which you actually have to turn the quick release plate for it to completely come out. Pull out and you turn and it's off. And to put it back, all you do is turn, lock, and you're done. The overall design feels very sturdy. I mainly use this for my video stabilizers or any other heavy camera equipment. You could probably use this for a camera mount as well, but I think it's a bit of an overkill. However, similar to the Ulanzi Claw, once you buy the system, you're locked into the system. This is also another Ulanzi brand. It's called the Falcam F38. The cool thing about this plate is, unlike the previous 2, you're not locked into its system, because this uses a Arcus Swiss slot and is much thinner than the previous 2, so making it more compact. It can bear up to 15 kgs. Also, in case if this was accidentally pressed down and the mount slips out, they have a locking mechanism. By simply pulling this out and setting it to deadlock mode, no matter how hard you press, it's set and locked. Also, at the back, there's a 1/4 inch to 20 adapter. I started to use this release plate more often now, as it fits in with my current system. I can just slide it off the gimbal, put on my GorillaPod, and start to vlog straight away. Overall, I hope you find today's video helpful. It's a bit different to my previous videos, and there's likely to be some more changes on this channel. Until next time, peace out!